What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day. On today's video, we're going to be finishing up that front clip. I'm going to show you guys what we got going on right now. Oh dang, I got caught up right there in the garage. I left the welder on too. So this is what we got right here. I cut out those triangles I was talking about last time. They ended up coming out to be rectangles. So I cut a piece that actually ended up being a piece of the old JDM frame that I had. So I went ahead and cut it, and then put it on those missing pieces, and I'm going to finish welding it right now. And after that, then we'll get into what we did up there. And we got my son with me today.
Hi. I'm finishing welding craft BRV.
Yeah, that's probably what we'll put.
Because it was craft again.
Yeah, but we already named the video that like 4 ones ago.
Oh yeah, finishing welding, finishing craft CRV. We just put finishing craft CRV.
All right, I'm gonna finish welding real quick, okay?
Okay.
My phone's right here. You could be on your tablet right there.
Yeah, it's kind of gonna be hard for me to do that because you see how it's like that. It's gonna be hard to play a game.
What?
See how it's like hard to see it all dark?
Turn up the brightness.
Life get hard, but you gotta keep it pushing. I've been on the edge and everybody overlooking. Nobody gave me a handout. These niggas be fanned out, trying to lay me down cause they don't like the way I stand out. I can feel it raining when it's sun in the sky. Just keep it 99 plus 1 while you lie. How you tell me that you love me? You weren't there when they got greedy. Life a bitch and then you die with shit. I'm taking this bitch with me. Play with my emotions, that's the reason why you lost me. I'm the one that handed you the rock, so how you cry?
Now we gotta take it back apart. Not too bad doing it one-handed, but not that good either. Not that good at it.
Kind of muddy.
I wouldn't get in there then if you're all muddy. That one was a lot smoother.
Why was
Mr. Real quick, boy. Can you move out the way? I gotta take that one off. That one right there in front of you, I'm gonna take it off.
that one?
Yeah.
Okay then. That over here's my dirty. Why is there an airbag?
I know, I gotta take that off still. Gotta get a new steering wheel for it.
The front even, and then when the front broke, then the airbag popped out.
Yep.
Oh.
That's how it happens.
Airbag not filled with air.
I think it just it does it and then it deflates. You know what I'm saying?
Can I fit in here?
Sure, why not? It's all grinded up. I'm gonna clean it up now and get ready to paint it. What have we here? Let's check it out. What can it be? What can it be? A box within a box. Hope it's not within another box, cause no, I'm just kidding. Okay. So what do we got? Here's my table right here. The knife bag. See what we got. I'm out of breath. I was putting away all my stuff right now in the garage, and then we checked the mail and I realized that this was sitting out front, so might as well open it real quick before we end today, being that it is already dark. Damn, it's one of those. I was about to say, where did I put my damn razor blade at? Just because I looked outside, I forgot. Oh, what is that? Okay. Not bad. I was worried about it not having these, but it looks like it has like screw-on ones. That's pretty cool. See if I got some Loctite over there somewhere. I think I do. Have to put some Loctite on there. Put those bungs on. Not bad. Looks like a pretty cool unit. We're gonna put it on probably tomorrow after that paint dries. Oh, you guys haven't even seen it yet. You guys haven't even had a chance to see it yet, but the paint is right now drying, and we pretty much finished up today. Like I said, it's already dark outside. I was gonna record that part of me painting it, but it was like already getting dark, and that footage on the GoPro doesn't really look that good, so I'd rather just wait till tomorrow when we get some kind of sun, because it's bad enough that spot right there doesn't even get sun. So it's like, in order to pretty much record, I gotta do it early enough, and there just hasn't been that much sun right now. So yeah, I'm gonna finish off that on tomorrow, and then I need to anyways. It'll be dried, and then we'll go ahead and put this on, and should pretty much be Gucci. I think this is all we need. All we need left to put this on, put those little caps on. And I was gonna get new hoses, but I think we could just reuse our hoses. I don't think there's anything wrong with them. So yep, I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.